In this video, we're going to go through how to assemble and use a garden hose styled pool vacuum cleaner. These are often included with the accessory kits from your pool. Let's get started. The set consists of the vacuum head and a collection net. To set this thing up, tie the net to the exit port of the vacuum head. Before we attach this to the extension pole and the garden hose, let's talk a little bit about how this thing works. When you turn on the hose, you have a high-speed jet of water entering here. It then flows through this channel and out through the net. Bernoulli's principle tells us that this high-speed water has lower pressure than the quiescent water in the pool. So it creates a vacuum and entrains debris into the jet and out through the net. Alright, so next, screw your garden hose onto the hose port of the vacuum head. Now, we'll use the extension pole from your pool net. Press the button to pull off the net. Then, push the end of the extension pole onto the vacuum head. Note that there may be two buttons you need to press to get it fully seated. Now, you'd normally put this head into the pool before you turn on the water, so you don't get soaked, but I want to show you how this thing works. The water comes in through the hose on the left, through the channel, and out through the net. There's clearly some inefficiencies here, as you have some water that doesn't make it through the net. Alright, so let's put the vacuum into the pool. It works pretty well to grasp the extension pole and hose together. Then, set the vacuum on the floor of the pool and draw it toward you. Move over a little bit and repeat. I've sped up the filming here a little bit to get the idea across of covering a lot of area. You actually have to move kind of slow. Here, we're vacuuming up a few small leaves. When you're done, turn off the water, then pull out the vacuum. Go ahead and untie the collection net, rinse it out, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and all the best.